here we are going to see the use of lambda function or anonymous function in Python. In the previous video we discussed about how to create a function and how to call a particular function and how to assign a function to a variable. Okay, here I am going to create a lambda function. I am going to do this I am going to make this particular function as a lambda function. I am just deleting all this particular thing. I am creating a variable like calc equal to lambda. Lambda is a keyword. Okay, so here you can provide what are the argument to this particular function. I am expecting interest, term and amount as the input and what computation I want to perform. Now I can call print calc with passing the value to this particular interest, term and amount. What is the value for the interest? I want to provide 8.5, term is 5 and amount is 10,000. Now if you run this, we got the output. So we can do the same thing with calc interest. I am copying this particular thing and pasting here, run it. So both are same. Actually here I have created a named function that take 3 parameter as input, interest, term and amount, and this is the computation, this is the return. So this same thing can be done in a single line. Okay, that is lambda function. So here you can use the keyword lambda and provide what are the arguments expected by the anonymous function. Okay, you can think that it is a function without a name. Okay, so this is the input to the function and colon here, and here you can provide only one statement. Okay, so here in a function you can provide multiple statement, but in the case of lambda function you can provide only one statement. Okay, so here we are doing some computation and it is returning that value. Basically whatever the computation we are doing here, it is returning the result. Okay, so here the calc contains a function. So if you simply print, we will get type of calc is a function. We can see that. Run it. So it is a function. Type of calc interest, that is also a function. Okay, so both are function. Okay, so here we are assigning a function to a variable and we can execute that. Okay, so this is the way to create lambda function. So in Python we can assign a function to a variable. Here we are creating a lambda or anonymous function and assigning that to a variable, and wherever you want to execute this particular logic, we can pass the values. We can invoke like this. Okay, I hope you got some idea. So if you think that okay, I want to do some complex thing, okay, you can create a named function. Okay, and if you think something very simple inline computation, you can create an anonymous lambda function. Okay, I hope you got some idea about what is lambda function in Python. Thanks for watching this.